Start first. So, hold on, everything. You peel out the middle?
Oh!
You peel out the middle? You peel out the middle?
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl D.
And it's your boy K.
And today we are back with another challenge. When you guys see us, you always see a challenge. So today we are going to be doing our
Lemon challenge.
lemon challenge. The last couple challenge, I didn't do so well, but you know what? Today I got it.
Poor thing. One more win again for your boy K. Easy.
Okay, let's see what's going to happen today, guys. Okay, so right now, what we're going to do is that there is 12 slices of lemons.
Yuck.
And the first one to actually finish, and when I say finish, not just only putting them up, but a complete finish. Everything eaten down, because I'll be checking them. So we're not going to time anything. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to just jump right into it.
Yeah, and just watch your boy win. Easy again. Fast. Just I'm kind of worried about these things. But anyway, let's see.
So, and we can't drink any water until the end. But before we go ahead into our challenge, go ahead, remember to subscribe. Tell your friend about the K&D The Maskers. And subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Warm up.
Alright. Anytime you're ready, K.
Alright. I'm going to brace myself for this one. Woo!
I didn't know it was hot or it was sour.
Alright.
Seeds and everything, guys. Seeds and everything. Just to slow it down. Seeds and everything.
Woo! Alright. I'm good.
Oh, Lord. Where we're going to begin? After what?
After me start.
No. Oh, you mean after you start?
After me start.
No, right. Nothing like that.
After General start.
Guys, we're actually scared to do this challenge.
Okay, alright. After 3.
After 3?
Remember, you have to eat everything and no matter. It's not just bite and put on.
So we have to eat like orange or just suck out the juice?
Listen, now. Alright. Yeah, we'll just
take out all of the juice.
Exactly.
You know, suck out the juice.
No, we'll go.
We'll go out the juice.
Well, get it out.
Get out what? The juice? Suck out the juice?
No, the sour and salt and the lemon.
Alright, so after 3, we're going to begin.
1. Start first. So, hold on, everything. You peel out the middle?
Oh!
You peel out the middle? You peel out the middle?
We think it easier. Shit.
You hear myself?
We think it easier.
Listen, well, remember I see there? You not started, you know? Yo, so you still
don't worry about that. Yeah, I know. Crap. Guys,
No, I'm gonna get them on them perhaps so do this.
Oh, shit.
No, sir. Motor bird. You know what? You forget that winner. I'm not need this thing. Not at all. You don't need this thing. No, I'm done. Finish. You have to take a winning. So. We get that one. Not at all. You have to finish it though now. You have to finish it now. No, sir. Woo. No, man. Ah. I'm not doing it.
The thing is about these challenges.
Take the winnings.
When you in your throat, that's the time you feel. But after I go down here, some 2 times gone.
Not no go so.
You
It's
say,
horrible.
It's not so bad. I just to get it done.
It's horrible.
See it done?
Of course, I'm not gonna further. No, listen, man. For you winning, you have to finish it.
No. I just say go.
No, for you winning, you have to finish.
No.
Look at that.
How much you do?
So I have now 5 over here.
5, 2, 4, 6. This not count cause we put it up back.
After 6. So you want say I got 2 more, I win.
Let's see what we can do. You want to burn me.
So if I eat 2 more, I win.
Mm-hmm.
So you're not gonna continue.
If you continue, we can go more, but me have
Then-
right
listen,
now
man,
we
listen,
know.
man, listen, man.
Right now I won.
No.
And if you
no,
decide,
no.
say
No.
you can do
no,
more,
no,
I can
no.
do more.
The challenge is who finish
First. But right now,
What you gonna
the thing is, I got 2, 4, 6. I got more than you. I eat more than you.
Doesn't matter, you're not finished.
But I still have, it don't
All
matter. Guys, fear is fear.
So,
Fear is fear.
now go further. Take the winnings.
What you mean? No.
But you have to finish it, you know.
No. And I said, I won regardless.
No, listen, man. I got tired then. I got tired then. I got tired then.
All right, go on.
It's a 6 yeah.
I got 6.
Okay. 5 there, alright.
I knew I got this in the bag. I knew I got this. Guys, when I'm finished already, drink some water, turn it into lemonade. In my tummy. Come. Let's see what you got. Still ahead. Still leading. Why? I'm still leading, guys. Now I'm at 2, 4, 6, 8. He got 2, 4, 6. In this time, you need to learn how to absorb, how to what? Eat or suck life.
Yeah, man, you get tricked on. Yeah, man. Yeah.
So what?
Yeah.
So what about you? Extremely sour.
Now playing a hero.
The thing
Get
is,
the winnings.
you have to brace yourself for this. Cause when you start,
Get the winnings.
Oh, you close wait, so
Get the winnings. Get the winnings.
so let's put it up back yourself.
We get the winnings.
Right, look.
Well, finish it. So finish
Well.
it. You can finish them.
All my peels are right here.
You can finish them.
I still won, regardless. This slime even make me nose around. You finish?
Yeah, we'll finish. We get the winnings.
Finish.
Yeah, we give you the winnings.
All right, girl, guys. Your girl got your thing right in the back. Right in the bag. Because right now, I won this challenge. So, Team D.
You know it go. Because,
Know how what goes.
Because men are more worried about their natures and stuff like that because them think I cut nature. So
we I say, I don't have any nature to cut.
No, you're not a nature for cut.
I'll joke here, mate.
So
But
we give her
guys,
the winnings. Yeah, she get the winnings.
I won.
At least we can say it. When we win, she can't say anything.
Because normally you cheat and now you get the opportunity to prove yourself and you can't prove yourself. So
Then finish it. Finish it.
I don't need to prove myself right here.
Finish it. Alright, so
I got my evidence. You understand?
Yeah. The
proof is here.
The evidence is you eat more than me, you never finish.
I still won.
Well, alright, take the winnings.
And I only got what? 3 slices. Nah. The first one, guys, kind of catch me off guard. You understand? But kind of catch me off guard. But after you get into it, can manage. It's manageable.
No chance.
It's manageable. I guess K is actually kind of afraid, or fear is nature. But nature problem, guys. So, guys, if you fear nature, go ahead and comment down below if you think K did the correct thing to give up and save his nature. Guys, if you know what I'm talking about, nature, tell me.
Take the winnings.
Alright, girls.
But anyway, I still Team K.
Okay. A little pat on the shoulder. Good job.
Well, 1 to how much challenge? 1 to about 4 to 5 challenge.
And there's more to come. Guys, go ahead, click on our notification bell, so that means you can see when our next video drop. So go ahead, remember to subscribe.
Any challenge, when I threaten nature, she can't win.
Alright, let's see for the next one. So guys, 1 in the bag. So we're gonna wrap it up. See you on our next video.
See, I said still, when you know what we feel like for the first, I saw you get excited and be like you win the world. But sure.
I did.
Alright, see you on the next one.
Alright, we're out.